the heck is this in my wig? I got a whole track loose or something. Oh. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track. Hey. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the Trizac. Thanks for dropping by, y'all. We got another synthetic wig review coming at you. This one is a banger. Oh my god. Outre has been coming through and I've been choosing the right units, okay? Y'all know how I feel about these chocolate swirl units, okay? So if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. That's important. Do that last step. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this wig review, you guys. This one was sent to me by SamsBeauty.com. They were kind enough to reach out to me to send a unit to review, and yeah, this is Bae. What the heck is this in my wig? I got a whole track loose or something. Oh, I just knew that this unit was gonna be no ifs, ands, or buts, and here I am, got this whole big old chunk of track in my shit. Whole big old chunk of track in my wig, bruh. Wow. I didn't even notice that until just now. Yeah, that's a track, y'all. Okay. Anyways. Oh, there's a plane passing. Let me let it pass. Okay. Anyways, talk about it. Okay, so this is part of Outre's Perfect Hairline collection. I've did a lot of these wigs in this series lately, so yes, I'll leave the playlist up above. Check out this series, it is bomb. Okay, so this one specifically is Outra's Patrice, and I have her in the color DRCHOCSWI. Y'all know I'm a chocolate swirl fan, so this is the color I chose. So a little bit about this one. It has the fake scalp in it, which we just cut that on out. We don't like it. Outre, cut it out. Get it out of here. 13 by 4 frontal, so 13 means you can glue it from ear to ear, and 4 by 4 is the parting area, which goes back, you know, almost to the 4 inches. Yeah, and then they do have a transparent HD lace, real nice. The hairline is really pre-plucked. It's not a natural pre-plucked, but it's enough to get by, so don't be trying to clock. Like, it's real natural and it's real cute. Now let's talk about the cap construction. Cap construction, you do get 2 combs at the temple area, like right by the ear. Really nice placement. I really like the comb placement in this one. Like, yes, you get an elastic band in this one also. You get a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps to tighten that nape area if you need it. And then the lace, this unit is not big head friendly, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm talking about I'm so sorry, like it's my fault. Oh, I keep getting lip gloss on my face. But it's big head associate because it covers my ear, but it's if I was to glue this down, I would have to tug and tug a lug, and we're not with that. I'm not with that. I don't know about y'all, but I'm not. If I have to tug on a synthetic unit to glue it down, I'm not doing it. Y'all already know. So yeah, my edges are flapping, but it's not bad. Like we got her in the center, in the side part, and yeah. So I got this unit because of Kai Rashawn. Y'all know I just love her channel so much, and as you guys know, one of my favorite units is Sensational's, what is it called? Look, how is my favorite unit and I can't even remember what it's called. It starts with a K. I'm losing my mind right now, but I'll leave it here. that's my favorite unit, and it looks exactly like this except for it's in a chocolate color. Now they do have the colors like the 1Bs and all that stuff, but I wanted to spice it up a bit because I like the cut and the angle and the style of this unit, but I wanted to try a different color. Okay, so Miss Patrice is real cute. It says DR Chocolate Swirl, so you get a dark root, which is like a 1B or a 2, and then it goes into this 4 color, and it has like little hints of like maybe like 27 or 30 color blonde. But I don't know if you guys remember in my other review on the another unit that was chocolate swirl, the swirl is like in the back. It's like in the back and then in the back, like on the nape of the unit. So it's real like chocolatey in the front, and then the color is in the back. So this is a very like work appropriate hair color because you look like very professional in the front, and then you got a little spice in the back, you know what I'm saying? So perfect for those Zoom calls. You just throw this wig on and go. So this one, I would say this one was a plop and go because I literally just cut the lace. I did cut that fake scalp out, like that took me a minute. So yeah, that took a while, but other than that, I just parted it and then put it on and just kind of fluffed the curls out a little bit, and boom, added me a little baby hair swoop. Girl, I did add a little concealer in the part, so there was no plucking, no gluing her down. She's not even glued down. I just literally just have her on. So I really love this unit, y'all. This is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Like, I'm really feeling this unit. I love how it's angled. I just love that cut. Like, I might cut my real hair like that because I just cannot get enough of these little shortcuts that are just like face framing. And I have a fat face, so these make my face look so good. Like, I love it. Love it. So the texture on this hair, this isn't like anything silky, and it's not anything kinky. It's kind of an in between the mix kind of deal. And this is synthetic hair, you guys, but it is a synthetic human hair, a synthetic, I think it's blend. It says high-tex heat-resistant fiber, so you can curl it if it starts getting a little bit old. I had another unit like this, and I kept it for over a year. As long as you know, put her up, fluff her out, and take care of her, like these type of short units last you so long. Okay, now I really love this unit, you guys. I have no cons. There was a little bit, just a tiny bit of shedding off the package, but like it's nothing major. Like, it wasn't nothing to worry about, and it's probably because when I cut the lace, but other than that, she is not shedding at the moment. She's just initial out the box shed, and she is so soft, you guys. Now, I always point out that these units are a little bit in the pricier range, especially for synthetic hair, but you're really paying for the hairline, because the hairline is really the only part that matters, honestly. Because that's how you can clock if it's a wig or not, you know. But this one is really bomb. I do wish that the part was like a 13x6 because I really love that extra deep part. But she is not bad. Like, she is still a serve. Okay, so let me know what y'all think down in the comments about this one. Are y'all feeling her, or yay or nay? Let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.